What is 7 minus 4? Answer, 3. What is 2 plus 3? Answer, 5. What is 10 minus 9? Answer, 1. Maya had 15 stickers and gave away 3. How many left? Answer, 12. Alex has 10 blocks. He gets 3 more. How many now? Answer, 13. Alex has 15 blocks. He gets 3 more. How many now? Answer, 18. Maya had 18 stickers and gave away 4. How many left? Answer, 14. What is 9 plus 6? Answer, 15. How do you subtract to get 9? Answer, 10 minus 1. What is 9 plus 5? Answer, 14. What is 10 minus 9? Answer, 1. What is 10 minus 0? Answer, 10. What is 4 plus 2? Answer, 6. What is 6 minus 0? Answer, 6. 9 minus 8 equals? Answer, 1. What is 7 plus 7? Answer, 14. Maya had 15 stickers and gave away 1. How many left? Answer, 14. Maya had 14 stickers and gave away 1. How many left? Answer, 13. How do you subtract to get 3? Answer, 4 minus 1. What is 8 plus 3? Answer, 11.